Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Uber app. First, open the Google Play Store on your Android phone or open the Apple App Store on your iPhone. Find the official Uber app and tap on Download. Wait for the app to install on your device. Once the installation is complete, open the app. You will see the sign-in screen. Enter your email address to create an account or log in. You can also use your phone number, Google account, or other available login methods. After that, the app will ask for your phone number. Enter your number and continue. You may receive a verification code. Enter the code to confirm your number. After signing in, you will land on the main screen. Here you can book rides, rent cars, reserve cars, or choose the hourly option. Select the service you need. For example, tap on the ride option. Now enter your pickup location. You can type the address or select it directly from the map. Then enter your destination in the To field. After that, tap to search for rides. If rides are available in your area, you will see different options with prices and estimated arrival times. Review the prices and choose the option that works best for you. If the price is reasonable, confirm and book the ride. If not, you can wait or check other available options. Next, explore the Services section. Here you can send items or check public transit options near you. Tap on the Activity tab to see your past rides and trip details. Finally, go to the Account section. Here you can manage your wallet, payment methods, and view your inbox. This is how you use the Uber app. Thanks for watching.